Hello, Mark Lee with DACRAM Studios. I'm going to do a quick review of this Pixel Key Light. It's a 15.4 inch video panel. It's got 45 watts of power at 3600 lumens, they say. It has a wireless remote that you can turn the light off and on, obviously, with, and you can adjust the brightness, and you can also adjust the Kelvin from 3000 to 8000, increments of 100. It won't do anything in the 50s. So there's up to 8000, that's super bright. 5000 is about daylight. I usually do all my lights about 5600K, so that's where I'm going to stop it here. The remote lets you adjust, just quick adjust for 25% increments by going 0, then it goes to 1, 25, 50, and 75, and then 100. So the build's pretty solid. You get an AC power adapter here with a pretty long cord, and it also can be run by batteries. You can use any of the Sony MP batteries. So you got there's these 550s which will fit in the back, and also this is a lot more powerful battery. These are the NP960s, so you got the 550s and 960s that'll fit in the back here. And actually, I'll show you how the back of the light looks here. It's got dials on the back. You control everything just like you can do the remote. So if you wanted to adjust the brightness there, you can adjust the brightness on the back. It's got a power switch for the power, and then you can switch it to the battery to put the batteries. So the batteries basically just go right in here like this, and they drop down, snap in, just like that. You can put 2 in. I'm assuming you'd want to put 2 in every time. So yeah, it seems like it's a pretty nice light. As I said, this C-clamp it also comes with, so you can mount it to a table like I have it here, this isn't the best table to use for it. And then it's got just the standard light stand right here, and you could just put it on any light stand. Like I could put it on that little light stand behind me that I got the backlight on there. But that's about it, really. It's just a 15-inch panel light that works good. It's great value. I don't know, I'm going to put it on the other side of the table here, and we'll see how good it does to light me. Alright, so now we've got the key light pointing at me, the panel light. So let's turn it off here. And right now we're just running from my monstrosity big dome light here. So I'm going to switch between the two. I'm turning this key light on right now. It's at 75%. Let's take it. Here's 25%. I'm turning off my key light, main key light, which was at about 40%. Now this is 25%, which I'm a little bit underexposed according to my camera, so let's take it to 50%. Alright, so 50%, the camera thinks it's perfect exposure right now, so it's actually looks like pretty perfect lighting. You know, this is diffused already in the panel, so it does give a pretty good spectrum. It's not quite as soft as the dome's going to be, but it's definitely a good, powerful little light. I'm impressed with it. It seems the appearance to be brighter than my Godox light can go, and yeah, I like it. So you can see I'm switching between modes here. I got this is 1%, 25%, 50%, 75%, 100%. So I definitely like this light. I'm glad that I got it. It's going to get its use for other videos where I need to get portable lights easier than taking a beast around. So definitely I recommend it. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Thanks for stopping by DACRAM Studios. Please hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell. And maybe watch another video. Have a wonderful day.